current relationship with other judges? Or do you socialize with
I can tell you
some of them, all of them, none of them?
Well.
Golf with, this particular judge?
Well, Judge Mundy and I are pretty close, and we play some golf together. But the other members of the bench, I'm not particularly close to, and very candidly, my time, I've been so upset by all of this that my time is spent with my wife and my daughter and our families, and socially, I have really closed myself down in terms of relationships, and I'm very satisfied. I have the best. I'm sure everybody says this, but I have the best daughter in the world. I think I have the best wife in the world, and we have great families, and that's where my free time is spent. Very candidly.
Could I ask one more question about the dinners at Judge Cunningham's home? Who else?
It was a time when it was at a time when I was going through my divorce and I was living alone, and Barb, Judge Conahan's wife, would call me and say, on the spur of the moment, would you want to come up for dinner? I mean, there'd be nobody else there.
No one else there. Anybody else that you felt uncomfortable being around? Dinner parties, those types of things?
There was one occasion I recall. Mark Chevrolet and Mike Conahan were next door neighbors. I believe on one of those occasions, Mark was there. But the times it was really Barb saying, "Don't cook dinner, come on up," and that's.
In 2002, Judge Conahan awarded a $13 million verdict to the Woodlands Inn and Resort. The Superior Court overturned that. You heard the case and awarded $900,000.
Right.
Any red flags there in retrospect, or that was strictly a reading of?
What year was that, Mark? I don't know.
2002.
2?
Yes.
Well, I remember. Bill Sharkey specifically came with that file and said, "This is a case that Judge Conahan had, and the Superior Court ordered him not to have anything. It was remanded for a new trial, and they prohibited Judge Conahan from doing the retrial." I remember him telling me that and assigning me the case. I didn't know anything about the case. I didn't know anything about the law, very candidly, that what was involved in that particular matter. When I reviewed the file, it was patently obvious that it was an inappropriate award. There was something wrong. There was obviously something wrong. But did I think criminally wrong? Did I think obviously the redress was given? There was an appeal. The Superior Court heard it. The Superior Court commented. That's been a long time, but my recollection is that the opinion of the Superior Court commented adversely about Judge Conahan, and certainly, in addition to prohibiting him from doing the retrial, it commented adversely about him. And certainly, if the Superior Court felt that there was something inappropriate, they could have referred it anywhere they wanted to. And then obviously was a substantially reduced verdict.